I'm here at the Oakwoods Nature Preserve. Never been out here before. I know that Jack from John A. Current channel on YouTube was out here last summer, and he said it was pretty tough to find. The location's kind of off the beaten path, I guess, right next to I-75, but you gotta kind of go down these little county roads to find it. And really nice ladies out at the Discovery Nature Center gave me some pamphlets and stuff, you know, more information about the parks and preserves around the Hancock County area. I'm sure the one you know is the Litzenberg Memorial Woods. And this is a really nice area out here. This funny interaction when I got here. All these, there's just three girls that are probably like 14. Anyway, they're kind of like standing there in the middle of the trail. And you go by, and I mean, are you gonna say nothing or just say, hey? I was like, what's up? And they're like, huh? And I'm like, what's up? And they're like, nothing, you? And I'm like, you know, nothing. Or how's it going? Or whatever I said. And then she said something like, do you know him? To the girl next to her, like, you know, what is this these days? I swear to God. Well, let's get back to the park. Thanks for coming along to the Oakwoods Nature Preserve, just south of Findlay, Ohio. There's no way this video quality is, while it's good, is doing this justice. It's so bright out here right now. Making my way over to Dole Lake. I was over by Shank Lake and around the prairie area, as you saw there. Beautiful park, once again, Oakwoods Nature Preserve. You can kind of hear the semi-traffic. Listen. So it's right next to Interstate 75, but again, kind of off the beaten path. It's kind of like a boardwalk, I guess you could say. So we'll see you at Dole Lake soon. Just look at that sky. That sure doesn't look like mid-July. It's very much reminiscent of mid-September, early October. And it's about 68 degrees out. This is Dole Lake right here. It's a 4-acre lake. Back at Shank Lake, where we were before, in the prairie area, was a 9-acre lake. All told, this Oakwoods Nature Preserve is 227 acres. One of Hancock County's most beautiful nature areas. I would have to agree. These are old quarries, these lakes. Way back in the early 1900s, they used to mine them. And they're deep, you can just tell. Actually, if you look right there, I don't know if you can barely see it. There's the outline right there of like almost what looks like steps going down. That could very well be true. That could be a remnant. Let's see if I can take a look at that. That does look like steps. They must be original. They look like they're wood, but I don't know. It could be the old steps from this dock before they changed it. I'm not sure. Wow, very interesting. Been under the water there for a while. Some people coming up, so I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching.